Hello guys, and today let's talk about the blue line issues, green line issues, pink line issues on OnePlus 8 series. It's mostly happening with OnePlus 8, 8T, 9R also. I have seen few users complaining about that green lining issues after the update of Oxygen OS 12. So I waited for few days. I'm thinking some big YouTubers should cover all these things, but I did not find any kind of videos related to that. So in this video, let's talk about those issues. Why are these issues being seen on OnePlus 8 series and what all things you can do to avoid. And I'll also tell you guys whether you can replace the screen free of cost or not, because I spoke to customer care of OnePlus. Twice I spoke. First time I did not get proper answer from them, and I also told them that my device also had this issue, to see whether they are aware about this issue or not. So they were not exactly aware. One of their agent was not aware. But after that, today again I spoke. I'll show you guys the call recording, what I spoke to them and what we need to do to avoid this thing, and how should be your device when you visit service center, whether they'll replace the screen free of cost or not. So we'll discuss everything in this video. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that like button, and let's again keep a like target of 500 likes on this video. We still have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, then do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified. So now let's talk about that issue. So basically here I have my OnePlus 8, and this is the device mostly which I use in the review videos or the update videos. So for me personally, there are no issues at all. I have been updating this device with closed beta files and even beta updates, stable updates, everything. Till now there were no issues, but I got a lot of messages on the Telegram DM saying that these issues are caused by the software update. So let me show you the screenshots first. I have all the screenshots. Later I'll show you the recording. So guys, here you can see these are the screenshot which we got from few users, and some of them are having single green line, some of them have double green line on their devices, or you can say screen, and some also have green line along with white line, pink line. So many issues what we have been seeing with OnePlus 8 series users, and OnePlus is not concerned at all. I know this might be a software glitch, but as far as I know, most of the users who visited service centers, they were denied screen replacement free of cost, and the reason behind is if you have any dent on your device. So for example, here I have my OnePlus 8. There's a minor dent towards the back side. I'll show you guys properly in the video. So this is a minor dent, and if you have such dents also, this screen won't be replaced free of cost. So the only concern here OnePlus is looking into, and that's physical damage. So if your device have any kind of physical damage or water damage in past, the screen will not be replaced free of cost. You have to pay the amount to replace the screen. And if I show you the cost of repair, let's take OnePlus 8. So the OnePlus 8 cost of repair is around 14,000. This is only the screen cost. After that they'll charge you around 400-500 labor cost, which will go up to 14,200 or 14,300. I know guys, 14,000 is not a small amount, and OnePlus should look into this matter seriously. There are few users who got their replacement done free of cost, but not everyone is getting that service. I hope this video reaches OnePlus, though I'm doubtful because the channel is not that big, but I'll try my best to tell you guys what you guys can do to avoid this issue, and if you also face the issue, what you should do to prove OnePlus wrong. On one side, if you see, OnePlus is also correct. If they have any physical damage, obviously when few physical damage, screen do gets damaged, and some users, not everyone, 1 out of 10 user do take the advantage of such issues. So that's the reason OnePlus says if there is any physical damage on your device, the screen won't be replaced for free, but still they'll inspect the device. If they feel it is not because of physical damage, they'll replace the screen, but 99.9% they won't agree to it if they see any physical damage on your device. So I would suggest you guys to stay on Oxygen OS 11 until this bug is fixed, or OnePlus gives any proper justification or statement on this particular bug. But if still you guys want to have Oxygen OS 12 or 12.1 on your OnePlus 8 series, my recommendation will be make sure you shoot a video of the entire installation process. It hardly takes 7 to 8 minutes from downloading to complete the installation process. Depending on the internet speed also it matters, but make sure you provide them the non-edited file of that particular video if you are recording a video. In case if you get that green line on your device or the screen, you can produce them that video clip and tell, boss, this is an issue from OnePlus, not from my end or any physical damage. So this thing you can do right now, or else I would suggest you guys to stay on Oxygen OS 11 itself, because in future, in hardly 1.5 months, we'll be start getting first open betas of Android 13, aka Oxygen OS 13. So if you guys can wait till that time, then you guys should wait. Or else if you want to update, as said, make sure to record a video. Second thing, if you guys have already got that issue, try to look for the screenshots. If you have taken any screenshot before the update and after the update, that could also help. But other than this, there are no possible ways. The only one possible way, what I see right now after talking to the customer care guys. So let me show you the customer care recording also. Okay, now you can listen what this second guy, pretty good guy, he told me everything, whatever the possibilities of the screen replacement and what are not. So you guys can hear that.
Thank you, sir, for being on hold. I really appreciate your time and patience. Am I audible to you, Mr. Pro?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so you just need to do one thing. Just need to visit to the OnePlus exclusive service center for this site, right? So you need to hand over your device to them. There is one technical engineer over there. He will rectify your device, and he will let you know whatever the issue with the phone. And if there is a sort of manufacturing issue or any kind of software technical issue from company end, we'll definitely take care of it, and you don't need to pay any kind of charges for that.
Right? Listen, the thing is, it is not only me, because right now if you check, there are a lot many users who got this issue. Some are getting the green line, some are getting the pink line. So that exactly happened after the newer update. So I just waited for another update so that we thought it might get fixed. But after that also there were no solution. I know it's a damage right now which cannot be fixed via software update, but that also I don't understand why it happened because of a software update. So that is my concern. If my device is out of warranty, and right now if you see it's out of warranty and there is no damage on the device, there is a minor dent which is not a newer one, it's a old one, and there was no physical other than that there's no physical damage, no liquid damage, nothing have been device haven't never been opened yet. So my concern
is, you told me there is a minor dent.
Yes, minor dent towards the back side, not even the front side. It is a dent there because see, it's been almost 3 years I've been using this device. So possibilities are there that there'll be some or the other dent on the device. So that is my main concern.
Actually, the thing is as you told me, there is a minor dent, but yet it's not on the front, it's the back, it's on the back, right?
Yes.
But the thing is phone is under out of warranty because due to physical damage also, right? It cover under the physical damage, dent on the back panel, no?
Yeah, that's a physical damage coming. But if the thing is, if it is,
So here he says that if there is any physical damage, then it is obviously considered as a physical damage and it will be out of warranty. The screen, whatever happens with the software update also, they won't replace until unless you have a proof. So I also told him I have a video proof, and you guys can hear that thing.
The thing what I did is I shot the entire video from downloading the software up to finalizing of the device reboots. So before installing the software, the screen was perfectly fine, and there are no edits done in the video. That if I show that video, they'll get to know about it for sure. There are no edits. It's a continuous video of approximate around 8 minutes. Because the time I started downloading, I started recording the video, and soon my device booted up, there was a line on the screen. So this proof I have. Will it be justifiable if I show this proof to the customer service center?
Sir, you had created the evidence. I do agree, and I accept it. Problem is from company end. It's not from your end. But the thing is, your phone needs to be in good condition. But as you told me, there is some minor dent. Okay, do one thing. If you have any query, any doubt, just need to have a word regarding this to the OnePlus exclusive service center, which is located in Delhi. as you are saying that you are moving to the Delhi. If they will deny you, just need to just need to make a conference call. We'll also request to them in that you will get the solution, right? We'll try our level best, and right now I can do one help for you. I will mention your feedback in my summary on higher priority basis, and I will convey your message to my OnePlus concern team as well. Like they will coordinate that all the things with the service center hand. Like customer had created the evidence video. Like in that they will like all the things will clarify that problem is from company and not from the customer end, right?
Yes.
So they will be able to rectify all the things. Okay, I'll try my level best in that you will get the solution, but I'm not committing you for that, right?
Sure, not a...
So this was the conversation between this guy whom I spoke today, and was a very good guy, very gentleman. He knew things, what is happening. He's aware about all these screens issues what OnePlus 8 series users are facing, and he's been also active on OnePlus forum. I mean to say community. So as per him, see, if we have a video evidence or any kind of evidence of the green line occurring or pink line occurring after the software update, these things are justifiable, guys. So make sure if you are if you are updating a device to the newer build Oxygen OS, any build from 11 to 12, make sure to shoot a small video. Don't edit that video, let it go. If it is around 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, let it go. Save that video. If your luck is not that good, you might get to see those green lines on your screen, and trust me, 14,000, I know it's not a small amount. For me, only one concern is there. I don't want my users, my members, or any OnePlus user to face this issue, and because of the brand, a user is paying 14,000 or 15,000 for the screen replacement. Also, there are many speculations in Twitter that OnePlus intentionally trying to cripple the devices with these updates like other brands to make them purchase new device. I personally don't think that's the case, and I also hope OnePlus doesn't do such cheap things. So my purpose to make this video and try coordinating with OnePlus was to aware you guys what you guys can do and whether you should update your device to Oxygen OS 12 or whatever version right now we have. And I also tried asking few users if anyone is in Bangalore, and still I ask in this video. Initially I dropped a message on our Telegram group, but now if any user of OnePlus who is using OnePlus 8 series and having the green line, try to give me the phone. I'll try my best to get the screen replacement done free of cost, or else we can do more videos on it, to aware more people, and we can show them few evidence. I'll try my best, to get the screen replacement done free of cost, but for that I need to have device physically so that I can take it to OnePlus service center and talk to them about the same issue. And if you have any green screen issues, make sure visit service center and also try to grab any video or any screenshot before the update which you have, so that you can not screenshot those screenshots. I know we can't get that line, but we need to have a click or the picture of the device screenshot. I initially also mentioned that screenshot, but yeah, my mistakes. Screenshots won't capture that light, but if you have any photo of the device before updating and after updating, then that would be really helpful to you to get the screen replacement done free of cost. And if you have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to approach OnePlus service center regarding this issue, though it's not on my device, but I have to take some initiative to ask OnePlus service center guys about these issues and what are possible things if users have faced this issue due to a software update. And also share this video with your friends so that they get to know about this issue. And I hope this video reaches OnePlus. And my humble request to OnePlus, do replace the screen free of cost, because customers are everything for you guys. Not for you guys, for everyone. Customer is God for any brand. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.